Whoa, nature. Oh, zoom in. Yeah. What's that? What the hell is that? I'm gonna look at the creek. Ooh. Back on the walk. Yeah, this is just in my neighborhood. It's wherever. At least it's a little nature. Clear your mind and stuff. There's a base right there. Me and my friends. Oh, actually, you can see it. Some of my friends from school. We made a base right here. And, I don't know. Seems like it's still there. Yeah, I was kind of right. It's here partially. Ooh, this big stick. This big stick right there was used to go on. There's like a tree right here. Or actually, it's cut down. There used to be that little stub right there. But yeah. There used to be a base there. People took it down, I guess. It's whatever. Fucking logs. Oh god. That didn't hurt. Why did I make that noise? Another creek. I mean, we are by the creek. I mean, like, it's another, you know what I mean. Look at this stick. Oh, yeah, it's a little dirty. Whatever. I'm in nature. I'm gonna get dirty. Ooh, a fork in the path. Which way do I go? Oh, this way. Oh my. See, I would go over it, but it's fall. I don't want to fall in. Ooh, wait. It's fall, and I don't want to fall in. Well. Ow, fuck. What the hell? The fucking vine just wrapped around me. What the hell? It's got like thorns and shit. Yeah, here. I remember trying to cross this bridge and it didn't work well. Kind of fell in. I don't know why this is the most active part of the creek actually. As you can see right there, it's the most flowing. Oh, look at this. This would be a good spot for a fort. Oh, so many good spots. Whoa. Yeah, wait. I mean, that's like a lot of twigs and stuff. That'd be really good for a fort. Oh, yeah. Wait, I kind of forget if I said this already. But, my parents gave me this camera. It's, like, from 2008-ish, I think. So, I mean, not that long ago. Like, a few years. So, it's pretty good. Is there thorns still in my fucking... No, it's just my sock. But yeah. Came out here to, clear my head, I guess. Nothing really going on. My life's pretty good. I'm thinking about starting to make some building videos on my channel instead of just gameplay videos. I mean, I'll still make gameplay videos with my friends, of course. Nyan and Mega Man. But yeah, it's just pretty nice today for it being like fall or almost fall. Still green. There's a lot of green. Is it fall or is it exiting? I don't know. I kind of forget. But yeah. I don't know when fall ends. I always forget that. Here's the exit of the creek. I'm arriving. Goodbye, Little Forest Walk. Goodbye. Still, I wonder what this is. That's so weird. I'm exiting the creek and they're cropping down the trees. What the hell? What the hell?